Hey, John on Dude. So today we have taken a walk along the River Tees. We've headed up to Bowleys, Low Force and up to High Force, and then hopefully there's a little waterfall that we tried to get to in the summer. We didn't quite make it. There wasn't much water running, but hopefully today there will be. So a stunning part of the world, and extra added bonus, there's nobody around. So yeah, enjoying this. Absolutely beautiful. God's country for sure. Catch you in a bit. And there it is, Bleabeck Force. This is where we're heading. Beautiful. Well, we're nearly back in the car. It's safe to say that was a wild one. Horizontal rain for most of the way, but you know what? It really doesn't matter because we've been outside in this fantastic place. So, to the next one, catch you later.